Kani kadai ke Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan ra sepi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Ka Hillcrest Higher Secondary School kabaran hapo kasnong ranja Shillong. Ha ka sitarek mentaw naiwing arhajakat pra. Kala rakhe ka annual day ka ba arpuar da ka ba plela ki kena skol pakin peni ki sap ki phong lengba ki jing ruai ki jing shat bat lengba ki jing lekai drama haloran san bat kiwe day ki jing penpernya. Hakani kerensan lai sementa da ki kena jogani ka skol ki ba pulia nadu ka class 1 hadu class 12 lengba ka jeram ba ka jing pet jikme jong ki no hikai jongani ka skol. Hakani ka sngi lawan sakhi langru ya kini kerensan do ba edi viwar ubolong rong ba snong jong ka snong renja bat kum kongsan hakani ka jelang bat la pediang buram ya u da ka principal jongani ka skol ikom al pariat bat u chairman jong ka managing committee uti marang.
आउँछ तिम्रो छेउ
मान्छेले खाने बोलीको ल्याउ आइ म त कान्छी तिम्रो छेउ
सँगसँगै हाँसेर गरौँला पिरतीको ढुङ्गा तरौँला
चाहिँदैन हिरा चाहिँदैन मोती चाहिँदैन सम्पत्ति
चाहिँदैन हिरा चाहिँदैन मोती चाहिँदैन सम्पत्ति मलाई चोखो माया देऊ मलाई चोखो माया देऊ
A dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. In dreams you will lose your heartaches. Whatever you wish for, you keep. Have faith in your dreams, and someday your rainbow will come smiling through. No matter how your heart is grieving, if you keep on believing, the dream that you wish will come true.
Cinderella! Cinderella! What have you been doing here? The room is such a mess. Have you finished cooking?
Yes, mother.
Ironing my clothes?
Yes, mother.
Cleaning the compound?
Yes, mother. No, mother, she didn't even clean the kitchen. She didn't even polish my shoes.
What? Cinderella? Go and clean the kitchen and polish her shoes right now.
Yes, mother. This is an invitation from the royal palace.
Oh, thank you. Cinderella, my child, can you see him off?
Yes, mother. We are invited to the Prince Ball at the Royal Palace. Oh, so nice. We have to buy new clothes and we have to buy new shoes.
Let's go and plan for the ball.
Mother, can I go to the ball with you?
Okay, if you finish all your household chores. For now, go and clean the kitchen first.
Yes, mother.
Cinderella! Cinderella, go see who came.
Oh, Your Majesty. Mother, it's the prince. The prince? Send him in. Yes, mother. Your Majesty, please come in.
Good morning, Prince. I am so happy to have you here in my house.
Good morning. Oh, I'm so glad you found my shoe. No, it's my shoe. I am the real princess you are looking for. No, it's my shoe. No, it's mine. No, it's mine. No, it's mine. Wait, you'll get a chance. You'll get a chance to try. Let me try first. No, your feet are much too big. Let me try first.
The sisters tried to fit into the shoes, but their feet were much too big. When the prince was about to leave, he saw Cinderella.
Oh, who's this girl? Let her try.
No. She is just a maid. She didn't even go to the ball.
Let her try.
Cinderella tried on the shoes.
It fits. Oh, it fits. It fits? How is this possible? Mother.
The prince had finally found his princess.
Oh, finally, I have found you. Let us go to my palace.
Cinderella, my child, can you please forgive me?
It's okay, mother. I forgive you. Cinderella, please forgive us, your sisters. It's okay. I forgive you all.